Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
COUNTIF function. What are we using the COUNTIF function? To count cells that meet a criteria. This is a single criteria. I've shown you examples of COUNTIFs with multiple criteria. This is a single COUNTIF and it's explicit. What do I mean by that? We have the range B4 to D10. We have a name, we have a state, and we have cells. And what are we asking? COUNTIF cells over $100. How about sales by Jim and sales in California? What's the criteria for COUNTIF? We have a range and then we have a criteria. So we've identified the range. And then what's the criteria? Sales greater than 100. Here's the notation. COUNTIF, our range is D5 to D10. And then we note in quotes greater than 100. All we do is look at, here's the formula. COUNTIF D5 is greater than 100. And what it will do is it will look in the range D5 to D10, and anything greater than 100, it will count. And if we look at the example, how many numbers here are greater than 100? Well, we have 147, we have 180, and we have 106. Simple enough. It gives us an answer of 3. The next example is sales by Jim. We don't have to look at just numbers. We can use text. COUNTIF will count text, provided that we enter the information correctly. Here we're asking, name is in B5 to B10. What are we doing? We're going to count if Jim shows up anywhere in the range B5 to B10. And here we see 2. In the third example, we have sales in California. Same format, COUNTIF, C5 to C10. And then here are just abbreviations. And we can see California shows up twice and COUNTIF counts 2.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime.